everyone, welcome to our Nanhua drumming session. Today, I am going to teach you the second class of the Advanced Leaping Universal Drum. The first line is Ha. Easy chi, you hit on the drum. Chi, you point down. Ha, you roll your stick from down to up. Sa, you hit while you point to the right side. The second easy chi, you make a circle over your head. Ha, you cross. Sa, you hit on the drum while you raise up your hands a little bit. Now, let's try it twice on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Nanhua Performing Arts Group. Hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.